Spring is a popular season to hand out goodies. Let's make this cute bunny bag. At the end of this video, if you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. The supplies you need are a brown paper bag, glue, a stapler, a pencil and a black marker, scissors, a small piece of pink paper, eyes, and ribbon, each measuring at least 12 inches long. The first step is to make the ears. Fold the paper bag in half. Starting at the corner, draw an ear. Then a straight line for the top of the head. And cut that out. The second step is to create the bunny's face. First, let's draw and cut out a small heart for the nose. Attach the nose and also glue the eyes. Then draw a mouth and whiskers. The third step is to fill the bag with goodies. The fourth step is to fold the ears in half and staple at the base of the ear. The last step is to tie a bow around the ears. And this cute little bunny is ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.